Some platforms, the moment you subscribe, will flood you with spam. Sometimes all you need is to click unsubscribe to stop the junk mail, but others will keep flooding you with emails. Fortunately, Gmail offers a solution called filters. These filters let us automatically delete all emails from a particular sender. Without further ado, let me explain how to activate them. And just for laughs, which platform is presenting you with hundreds of emails? Okay, so start with the filters. Here is what we do. Let's go into an email account. For example, I will use this one which receives automatically messages from CompuTrabajo, and I don't want those emails anymore. So what do I need to activate the filter? First, the email address from which the message come, I'll select it, press Ctrl C to copy it, and then with the address copied, we'll do the next step. Go to the gear icon, click Save All Settings, then go to Filters and Blocked Addresses, and as you'll see here, I have several filters set up to stun junk emails. Now, how do we create these filters? Very simple. Scroll down and click Create New Filter. Also, we need to enter the address in the From field. Put the address of the sender that bombard us with junk, and then click on Create Filter. Once the filter is created, we click in Delete. Then click Create Filter. That should create the filter, and any new email from that addresses will be automatically deleted. As the filter says, delete it. And that's the whole tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.